Small purchases can add up quickly. A daily latte can cost $5. Investing this amount can lead to significant savings. The latte factor refers to small, regular expenses that can drain your finances. It's essential to track these purchases to understand their impact. Let's calculate the cost of a daily latte over a year. Assuming $5 per day, that's $1,825 annually. Now imagine investing this amount. With a 5% annual return, you could earn $91 in interest. Over 10 years, the total investment would be $18,250, and the interest earned would be $1,045. The power of compound interest can help your savings grow significantly. It's essential to start early and be consistent. To apply the latte factor concept, identify your small, regular expenses and see where you can cut back. Consider alternatives, such as making your own coffee or packing a lunch. These small changes can add up to significant savings. Automate your savings by setting up a monthly transfer from your checking account to your investment or savings account. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, such as 401(k) or IRA, to optimize your savings and investments. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself of small pleasures, but about being mindful of your spending habits. By applying the latte factor concept, you can make significant changes to your finances and secure a better financial future. Start tracking your expenses today and begin building the habit of saving and investing for a more secure tomorrow.